Hello students, the purpose of making this video is to acquaint you about the Homecraft component of Work Experience Program, that is EPC 2.1. In Homecraft, I'll be sharing what syllabus you have to cover and what are the different files and samples you have to prepare. So in Homecraft, you have to go for table setting, learn table setting manners, and you have to prepare demonstrations how to set the table for breakfast, lunch, dinner and evening tea. Then you have to learn about the different methods of cooking, and you have to actually do the cooking of 5 recipes. These can be Indian, Mexican, Italian and Chinese. Then other than this, we have to make one sample each of different embroidery stitches, that is satin stitch, French knot, chain stitch, stem stitch and lazy daisy. So these are the 5 samples you have to prepare for different stitches which are there in the embroidery. Then you have to construct any 2 utility items. So you can choose between apron, chapati wrap or multi-purpose hangings. Dear students, as you all know, while eating on the table, when we are eating together, we need to follow some rules. These are called table setting. We have to set the table properly and follow some rules while setting the table. So being the host of any party, you should know how to set the table. But in an informal setting, you just keep the platter and the bowls like this. So this is informal setting. Then we can set the table for breakfast. Now this is the table setting for breakfast, where all you have to keep the crockery and the cutlery. So you have to prepare these sheets. You should know the theoretical explanation and the logic why we are keeping all the things, the crockery and the cutlery like this. Then similarly for lunch, for evening tea, how you will set the table for dinner. And for special occasions like where you have a big gathering, we have the buffets like you find in wedding parties or birthday parties. So in buffets, the table has to be laid for many people. Hence, the setting has to be elaborate one. So this is the buffet setting. So in your Homecraft, you have to prepare these samples for table setting. Other than this, you have to prepare a file in which you will be showing about the different stitches you learned during the session. This is the theoretical explanation of table setting and table manners, and what guidelines you need to follow as a host and how you have to serve the table. Other than this, you have to do 5 recipes, cook 5 recipes. These I have told you already, these can be Indian, Mexican, Italian. So we will choose any 5 out of these, and then you have to do some stitches, satin stitch, long stitch, etc. and you have to stick those samples in the files. You have to prepare some utility items like a chapati wrap. Now the chapati wrap can be this pattern you have to prepare, or it can be a pattern like this. So for this you will be needing a basket to be put inside, and you can wrap the chapatis to keep them hot. And you have to prepare multi-purpose hangings. These are simple ones. You can even decorate them with other accessories. So these are the things you have to do in Homecraft. And I hope this subject will be useful if you want to learn, useful things for your home, how to keep your house nicely. Thank you so much, students.